sa day.
Tingnan ko nga sudanan eh.
Hindutan na day ay.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Edoy. This is your boy Tikay. And yes, another day, another vlog, another absent, you know. So guys, here we are. Typical, you know, how are you? Ah! Just a typical day here in our province, in Atilan, Cebu. And yes, may ito mga, you know, just some things, random things here. Dito sa bye-bye guys. Oh shit, what is that? Yeah. So guys, muna ang beach na mo. Actually, the time right now is unos para bangko. Yeah. So mga around 3 PM nagay karon. Actually, wala na may kuan. Actually, it's about yeah. I got it right, man. So wala na may lingaw guys. So hope you enjoy the montage. Here we go.
Smoke, I don't need a drink. Just tell me how you feel, tell me what you think. Cause I've been on my own for a fucking while, and I don't need a girl, I just wanna smile. Getting my mind right, I'll wait till the time's right. I'm meaning it to
Nico! So shoot me for a fine, guys. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully this will work out. Yeah. Hopefully. So yeah, nagsusuro yun namin dito sa dagat ron, mga guys, mga girls. And na may na-spot nga tsada kaya nga just creature. Oh shit! What the fuck is that? Oh shit! Wow! Nakadungog ko sa record pero wala nakuha sa video. So yeah. Actually guys, kani ang gitawag nga anak po guys. Kani makarve ni siya. So I'm gonna show you like an example later saan siya pag-carve, you know. Usa to itaw gani. Katong ganing face nga katong nay mga bangag diri ba. Trypophobia. Dili ka to. Fucking trypophobia, bro. Mo ba to lagi trypophobia? Bro, wala ko i-dare niya bay. Imo na matuyok og kaupat. I don't know, kalima. Ganta kag 50 no sunod sweldo. Game, what lang. Pagkita sa. Nga, guys, kung yan na matuyok og kalima diha sa diri guys, tagana ko siya og 50 pesos. Let's go. Do it. Do it. Do it. God. Wala. No 50. So, actually, we're gonna talk about like, you know, childhood days, guys, you know, sige may galigo when we were like 7 years old and stuff, you know. Ako sa una, pagkabata lang ako, naligo kong kanal. Shit. Basta po na, di malimtan ako pagkabata na ako. Nakakuan ko ba, inhulog ko kanan. Lagi ba, gitulog ko sa kamigo ba, like, I don't know what happened, bro. He just pushed me. He was like one of my best friends, man. Pero, you know, best friends, best enemies, ba. So, ako may buta to, mga kuan pa may to, guys. Mga, something like, very nasty. That's nasty, bro. So, guys, karon, as what you can see namin, there is a very, very vast ocean. I don't know. Guys, what you can see, guys, no, namin there is a very, very beautiful place. Beach. Yes, as what you can see, guys, kana bukid. Sa sunod nga vlog, I dare myself and my friend, this guy, mana mi dia. Di man kay maklaro. Una na siya sa kahildi abay nga maklaro ning whole Hinatilan, whole province. So hopefully, you know, it's gonna get come true. Yeah, wa pa na siya kabot Kampisong. So yes, that's what we call Kampisong. It's not really that high, but because of the, you know, it's so small. Sayo na kayo na, guys. My God. Pantay. Back to our topic, guys. You know, childhood days. No, so comment down below. Ano yung mga embarrassing childhood moments yung mga ko kayo?
Yung childhood mo. Yung childhood moments ko, yung
Gago! Nakatapak ka ng tae. Go!
Yung nakatapak ka ng tae at yung nagma-Michael Jackson ka, yung ano pa yun? Moonwalk.
Yun lang? Naka-experience ako.
The truth has been speak.
Magandang tanghali po kayo Magandang tanghali sa inyo mga
Magandang urado.
mga madlang people. So, andito po tayo sa Hinatilan Aquarium Park. At meron po tayong nakitang isang animal. Mag-English sa Tagate.
Gago, hayop ba yun?
We have spotted a very rare animal here. So we have to be careful and we must make sure that we have some weapons for self-defense, guys. So yeah. Bro, wait for a while, man. You hold this shit. This is a real freaking, like, it's like a mythological animal here in the Philippines, guys. You must you must see this. Let's slowly approach that thing. You see that there, guys? You see that? You haven't seen it yet because it's not that close and we don't have like zoom in lens, you know, because we're poor. We're not that rich.
Really,
bitch.
nigga?
So we're gonna approach the animal right now slowly, guys. Come here. Oh my god. Not yet. Come here. Come here. Are you holding a microphone there? Oh my! Damn! What is this? Just please don't touch this. If you see, oh no! What the fuck, man? You've been intoxicated. What the? He just tasted this. I don't know this animal. This is a toxic animal. Guys, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam anong animal ito, ito ay ang tinatawag na Poisonous Pantius. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam po mga kaibigan, ang isang Poisonous Pantius ay
Parang bagay pero hayop talaga siya.
ito ay ginawa or ito ay gati nabili ni siya, guys. Kumbaga nabili ni siya sa usa ka nagtiayon nga ga-date dere, guys. This is not scripted, man.
This is true story.
Yes, can you freaking like
This is the
can you
documentary.
touch that, bro? Explore that animal, you know. We go. Guys, so basically naipanty dere, guys, na naka kuan, and I guess you know kuan mo gani, guys, dating site. So you know they
Online system.
so nanami as what I said kanina, guys, nga mangita may endangered animals dere, like mga exotic animals.
What if example, this is your dick?
The fuck, man? Stop doing that. So yes, it's one of the creepiest animal I've faced so far. It's not moving right now because it's exhausted. It's being used like for many times. It's so very behold. And guys, we saw some people there. Hopefully those are beautiful people. You know, beautiful creatures. Let's try to approach them. Let's go.